Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. Table is lined up correctly now. Wow, welcome. This is the plan. Trying to get this YouTube thing up and running. Yeah, still messing with the lights a little bit. I think they look okay. This is more the darker version of it. I want to do a lighter version. What do you guys think? Do you want to see it nice and bright and light up, or do you want to see this more moody version, backlights going on in the background? I don't know if I really like this that much. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Would be interested in hearing from that about that. Right now, we have the FV150. Spotting on me with a pretty large softbox octagon. Just have the one. I have the light in the back there for ambiance. I believe it's called a pressure light. Can't remember the name of that one. Yeah, but we have the backlight there. I have another light here not turned on. I'm debating. I think that's going to be what I will be doing later on when I do the brighter version versus the darker version. See which one actually works better. Yeah, my aim is to guys kind of show you whatever I can show you, explain to you whatever I can explain to you in regards to YouTube, in regards to photography as much as I can. I'm not a pro. I literally self-taught, doing pretty well, I think, and just trying to slowly move up. I make mistakes here and there, try to correct them the best I can, and yeah. So let's talk about this product here first. Godox products. Really nice product. I do want to go through a couple of reviews of different items that I have in my collection, and I will always remind you guys, do not buy everything. I made a lot of mistakes at the beginning. I bought a crap load of things I really did not need to buy, but I've also been able to sell some of those things, so kind of balanced out and stuff like that. But it works out. I mean, it is trial and error. There's things I bought that I probably just didn't need. You can get away with just a camera. I know guys that are much better photographers than me that literally just have a camera, no lights, no this, no that. I like experimenting. I had the funds to do certain things, so it gives me the flexibility to practice and try different things. Things are a little different now because, of course, baby number 1. Baby number 2 on the way, which is great, but it definitely slows down the quick purchases that I would normally do. So the aim of the game is to work with what you have, right? I remember watching a lot of YouTube videos. You can check it up at the above, some of the ones I've watched, and I have them down below as well. One light, if you're starting out with flash photography, one light. You can use a speed light. I'll show you some of the other the speed light I had for a really long time that worked well. I'll show you some of the pictures I did with those speed lights as well. But I didn't understand how to use it at the time, and I'm slowly getting better and better at it. And I think now, knowing that the height of my basement, the ceiling of the basement, knowing what my clientele likes, I do certain things to kind of adjust for that. And I also do some things that I prefer, like as an artist or somebody who wants to take photos. There's two sides of the coin. It's you as a business person and you as the artist. And there's a reason why there's a lot of starving artists out there, because of the same fact that they only want to put out their best work, and they don't necessarily want to worry about the clients. And it's kind of twofold, I find. I don't know. We'll talk about this in the comments below as well. But good example, if Nissan was to only cut out cars that they wanted to put out, and they felt they were the best cars, guess what would happen? There might not be a lot of cars and not Nissans out there. They might not have taken the ones that are just for the families, or the ones that are just for the race car. Like you understand where I'm coming from, right? So it's neither here nor there, but you'll see what happens. Okay, that's it for the night. Have a great night, guys. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure. My aim is to do this more and more often, and hopefully you guys can join me, and we can get the subscribership up. Thanks. Bye.